to the future.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to blur a part of a video. And we are going to demonstrate this by blurring the plate number of a moving vehicle. Okay, so stay tuned, let's get to it. So go to Capcut, click on Create Project. Now click on Import. Select the video that you want to import, then click Open. Okay. Now drag the video to the timeline. Okay. Now let us allow it to load. Alright. Now let's duplicate the video by copying and pasting. So copy the video and let's paste it there. Yeah, now it has been duplicated. Now select the duplicated one and go to Effects. Okay. Now click and drag the blur effect to the selected video. Now it has been embedded in the video. Okay, and as you can see, the whole video has been blurred. But this is not our intention. You know, we don't want to blur the whole video. We just want to blur a part of the video. So what do we do? How do we blur a part of the video? Okay, we do that by simply resizing this video. By going to this resize, click on resize, then try to resize it to fit the place that you want to blur. Okay, so let's continue to adjust it. Okay, now click on confirm. Okay, now let us also resize it further from here. All right. As soon as you are okay with it, just click on play. Let's play and see. Now you will notice that the car will drive past the blurred area. As the car is moving, the blur area is not moving with the car. Okay, so what do we do to make it move as the car is moving? Okay, we make use of what we call keyframe. Okay, we add keyframe to be able to get the blur area to move with the car. So let's do that. Let's start from the beginning. Let's move this closer to the beginning. Okay, now this is keyframe. Okay, as you can see, it's showing add keyframe. Now, if you notice on the timeline, the keyframe has been added. You can see it here. It has been added. Okay, so let's play the video. As it's moving, we'll keep dragging the blur area to cover the plate, the vehicle's plate number. So whenever you drag it, a new keyframe will be added. As you can see, look at this place. A new keyframe has been added. Now you play it again. As the car is moving, you keep dragging, you keep moving the blur area to cover the plate number. And as you're moving it, new keyframes have been added. Okay, so let's keep doing that until we are able to cover it to the end. So as we are moving the rectangular blurred area, the keyframe is automatically being added to the video. Okay, automatically, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, we can resize it, drag it, to make it bigger, so we can cover the plate number completely. So yeah, we have actually covered it. So let's play it and see. Let's play the video. Okay, let's play the video and see what we have done. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the blur area is moving with the vehicle. You see? So let's see it again. Okay, yeah, we have successfully covered and blurred a part of the video. So this is how to blur a part of the video. Thank you.